Boaters, start your engines.
All right, traffic in one.
1 minute, 15 seconds
Traffic
to
on
mill
the back
time.
straightaway as well. Just past the start-finish buoy on the back side. On the back side, traffic. First lap around, nice and easy.
1 minute to mill time.
That traffic on the back straightaway, Mikey. Traffic on the back straightaway. They're pushing out to the shore. There's one right at the point of two. He just went under right at the point of two. All right, looks
45
like all four boats
seconds
are in
to
the water.
mill time.
Michael C. Martin Herring. Gordon
30
Devos.
seconds to mill time.
Russ Stark.
22 seconds.
15 seconds to mill time.
Five.
29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Michael and Martin are good. Here they go down the back straightaway. Gordon owes me one. He's out wide. Michael's my leader at this point, followed by Martin. That's a start for start. 2 down, Michael. Martin's running second, right behind him. White boat right behind him. Gordon knows me one. Halfway Michael. Halfway Martin. Halfway Russ. 4 down for my leader. 4 down Martin. This is 4 down for Gordon. I'm sorry, halfway Gordon. Halfway Gordon. 4 down coming up Russ. 4 down start. Last lap for my leader.
Final lap.
Sick of that.
Final lap.
It's going to be a finish. First place coming up. Michael Cinegrani.
Final
First
lap.
place.
Michael C. Dunn.
Second place, Martin.
Martin Herring Dunn.
Michael and Martin, as you come around, you ready to bring it to the
Final
shore.
lap.
Finish. Russ Stark.
Russ Stark Dunn.
Gordon, as you come around and you come through the start, you may slow down and bring it to the beach. Nice and slow. There we go. We're all done now. Great job, gentlemen. Great job.
All drivers are finished. Gordon Devos done. The race is completed.
Boaters, start your engines.
Alan Grossman is away.
1 minute, 15 seconds to mill time.
Art Greneau is away. Hey.
One minute to mill time.
Alan Grossman. Art Bruno.
45
is away.
seconds to mill time.
Waiting on the Monster Energy, Richard Romero.
Glenn Yoder.
30 seconds to mill time.
Smiling Mark.
All right, Smiling Mark, when you come down the straightaway, I want you to watch how you recover lane 1. You seem to be going in and out.
15 seconds to mill time.
15 to the start. Somebody has a number.
Richard Romero.
Oh, okay.
$29, $28, $27, $26, $25, $24, $23, $22, $21, $20, $19, $18, $17, $16, $15, $14, $13, $12, $11, $10, $9, $8, $7, $6,
Easy.
$5, $4, $3, $2, $1.
Nope, he's good. Watch your lanes. No, he saved it. No call. He saved it. My leader is Art. They're fighting in the background for it. Watch your lanes. Watch your lanes. Watch how you recover. Art's still my leader with 3 down. We got a cut buoy. Who's that cut on? Okay, all right. We got a cut on Alan Grossman. Alan Grossman. Yoder? Oh, Yoder. He's hidden back there. Yoder, Leanne. Dead boat. He's wide outside of the lanes. The lanes are all good. Whoa! Saved it. Art with last
Final
lap.
lap.
Art with last lap.
Final lap.
The boat behind you got a
Final lap.
penalty, I think. Mark Relling is in second. Art's coming around the corner. Was to be a finish for Art. Go all the way around, Art.
Art Bruno done. Final lap.
Mark Relling
Smiling
is done.
Mark done.
Alan Grossman is
done.
done. So we only have a Yoder to pass the line, and when he passed the line, he can just come right to the beach. When Yoder crossed the line, we'll come right to the beach.
Glenn Yoder done.
All right? Come right to the beach.
Alan Grossman done. The race is completed.